when it comes time to add comments for the students' report cards, the process is very similar to what we've experienced in the past. We have this list of comments for each building, okay, and the system has always been 3 comments is the maximum that we can add, and then we always enter in those comments just simply comma separated, meaning 1, 6, 9 if those are the comments that you want to use. You do not type out the words themselves, and you have to use something from this list. Okay, you can't just draft your own comments to go onto the report card. So jumping over, I'm in my grade book right now, ready to put in comments for the quarter. So just as I can add comments to any individual assignment by clicking on the comment bubble and saying what the comment is. Now these comments I can write in whatever I choose to here, and I can display it to the students and the parents by checking this box. But as I mentioned, when we add comments for the overall, meaning to go onto the report card for that quarter, then we have to use comments from the list that we were given. Okay, so to add comments for each student, all you do is in the calculated percentage column. Okay, this one is for the quarter. The overall column is like average for the entire year for that student. So we really don't do anything with that overall one. But this calculated percentage is for this particular quarter. So if I click on that comment button, you see that the box looks the same as what we saw when we clicked on to add a comment for a particular assignment. But in here, I'm just going to go ahead and put in 1, 2, 3. I'm never going to display these to the student because the student's going to look at that and they're going to say, what does 1, 2, 3 mean? They have no idea. But of course, ProSoft interprets what those codes mean. Now, if you add more than this, like if I went ahead and I added another one on here, like comment 31, ProSoft doesn't know how to interpret that because it says there's too many. And in fact, it will only put the first 2 comments on the report card. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense, I know. Why not just put the first 3? Because you know that we're only allowed to have 3. But yeah, it'll eliminate both comment 3 and 4 and however many else you have. So just stick to 3 comments, and then you can just simply close that box, and you can see that the little bubble is there, so you can tell that we did have a comment for that student. So again, just putting it in. I have no idea what the comment codes mean. I'm just going to do some random comments here. And now you don't have to have 3, but 3 is just the maximum. Okay, nor do you have to have comments for every single student in every single grade book. But that would be how you would enter in your comments. And you have to like click through each one in order to see what they are. There's no overall view to see which comments you have for the class as a whole. All right, so that's how we add in comments for each quarter. And there is no carryover from quarter to quarter. It does not save that because, as I said, this is calculated grade for quarter 4 because I'm on quarter 4 right here. Okay, so adding comments, and again, maximum of 3.